vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars twinkle like distant dreams and galaxies spiral in elegant dances, lies a realm that both entices and challenges humanity: space. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars with wonder and curiosity, dreaming of exploring the great unknown. In the year 2040, the culmination of decades of scientific progress and human ambition led to the launch of the Pioneer X spacecraft, a marvel of engineering destined for a groundbreaking mission to explore the outer reaches of the solar system. On board this vessel were 6 courageous astronauts, each prepared to embark on a journey that would push the boundaries of human endurance and understanding. Among them was Dr. Emily Carter, a seasoned astronaut and medical researcher whose expertise in human physiology would prove invaluable during the long voyage ahead. As the spacecraft left Earth's orbit, Dr. Carter and her fellow crew members prepared to confront the effects of space on the human body, a challenge that would test their physical and mental fortitude like never before. The first few days of the mission passed with relative ease. As the crew acclimated to the weightlessness of space and adjusted to the rhythms of life aboard the spacecraft. However, as they ventured farther from Earth, they soon began to experience the subtle yet profound effects of long-duration spaceflight. One of the most immediate challenges was the loss of bone density, a well-documented phenomenon in microgravity environments. Despite the crew's rigorous exercise regimen and dietary supplements, their bones gradually weakened over time, leaving them susceptible to fractures and injuries. Dr. Carter closely monitored their bone health, devising innovative strategies to mitigate the effects of prolonged weightlessness. Yet it wasn't just the skeletal system that bore the brunt of space travel. The cardiovascular system also faced significant challenges, as the absence of gravity altered blood flow and cardiac function. Some crew members experienced faintness and dizziness upon standing, a result of the body's struggle to regulate blood pressure in microgravity conditions. As the weeks turned into months, Dr. Carter and her colleagues grappled with another insidious threat: muscle atrophy. Despite their diligent exercise routines, the lack of resistance training in space led to the gradual deterioration of muscle mass, leaving the astronauts weaker and more fatigued with each passing day. Simple tasks that once seemed effortless on Earth became Herculean feats in the weightless environment of the spacecraft. Yet, amidst the physical challenges of spaceflight, there were also profound psychological effects that weighed heavily on the crew's minds. The isolation and confinement of the spacecraft, combined with the unending expanse of the cosmos outside their windows, sparked feelings of loneliness and existential dread. Dr. Carter observed these emotional struggles with empathy and compassion, recognizing the importance of maintaining the crew's mental well-being in the face of adversity. As the Pioneer X spacecraft continued its journey into the outer reaches of the solar system, the crew encountered new and unforeseen challenges that tested their resilience and resourcefulness. Solar radiation posed a constant threat to their health, necessitating the use of radiation shielding and protective measures to minimize exposure. Solar flares and cosmic rays could penetrate the thin walls of the spacecraft, sending alarms blaring and hearts racing as the crew sought refuge in designated safe zones. Despite these trials, the crew pressed on, driven by a shared sense of purpose and the knowledge that their sacrifices would pave the way for future generations of explorers. They marveled at the beauty of distant planets and celestial phenomena, their awe tempered by the harsh realities of life in the unforgiving void of space. As the mission approached its conclusion, Dr. Carter reflected on the profound impact that space travel had on the human body and psyche. She marveled at the resilience of the human spirit, which endured despite the countless obstacles and hardships encountered along the way. And though their bodies bore the scars of their journey, their minds were enriched by the awe-inspiring majesty of the cosmos. In the end, the Pioneer X mission achieved its objectives, expanding humanity's understanding of the universe and paving the way for future exploration beyond the confines of our solar system. And as the spacecraft returned to Earth, Dr. Emily Carter and her fellow astronauts emerged as pioneers in the truest sense of the word, forging a path into the unknown with courage, determination, and unwavering resolve.